and then I need to make the other part. Okay, first this hand. Okay, got it. That's perfect. And put this part here. And then your other hand needs this handcuff. So I think I need these. Yeah, and I need the other hand. Let me see the other hand. I think it. No, this one needs this. And then this here. Chocolate. Can you try putting your hands in here? Okay, I think. No. One hand in here. Oh, I think this is too small for you. Okay, so wait, let me make it for you, okay? Okay, so I need one of these blocks. Oh no, it broke it. Go to jail. Oh no, okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. Come on, you go to jail. Go to jail.
Oh, yeah.